Most overnight successes, in fact, any significant success, takes at least 5 years. Budget your life accordingly. Kevin Kelly. My friends, don't worry about how long it takes you to master the charts. Why? Because once you master them, you will make up for all the time you ever spent. Take your time. Enjoy this. I love the charts. I love trading. I love everything about it. The excitement, watching the moves go green on your screen as you see the money pile into your practice trading account. And again, the key word here is practice trading. If you take off too soon and you are using real money, I can promise you that the market will take it from you no matter how smart you think you are. You've got to practice this. So again, stick with it. You can do it. I am your biggest fan. Let's jump into these charts. Boy, they are a booming. The only thing down for the day is Bitcoin. Let's look at what's up with the S&P 500, us slamming up 1.94%. Look at that weekly candle volume. It's okay. We'll see how it continues to increase throughout the week. Not quite halfway up on this latest 2-day candle. With all that movement, I would hope to see more volume. So again, leaves me wondering a little bit. Decent volume again on the half-day chart. We saw it popping up in the morning and in the afternoon, so that's good. So we'll keep an eye on things, but nice to see, again, the magic of the weekly vertical crossover. You can see time and time again how it works. The few times that we see it fake us out, that happens occasionally, but what's so beautiful about charts that are chartable and trackable, and the money charts that you have for your successful practice trades are the charts you can rely on. They're charts that you are familiar with. They're charts that you become intimate with through practice trading on for time. Lots of time in and out, learning how they work. That is what it's all about. Let's go from the S&P 500 to the NASDAQ 100, up 2.15%. Look at it climbing. Beautiful. Look at that latest 2-day candle, just a jumping up. You can see in the morning where it jumped up, volume really high, slacked off a little bit in the afternoon, but again, very nice, moving in the right direction. We will keep an eye on that volume on both now it looks better on the 2-day chart. It looks like it might even be a little above halfway. So we'll continue to keep an eye on things. Let's look at 20-year bonds. The biggest gainer for the day, 2.27%. That is a hell of a day moving up. Volume, again, keep an eye on that as the week continues to go through. You know, the candle, not a super strong candle at this point on the weekly chart. Decent candle on the 2-day, pushing above that prior high. And of course, same on the half-day. So we'll continue to watch bonds moving in the right direction. Now, gold up for the day. The smallest amount of up move of our charts, 0.89%, but nonetheless up, sitting right there on both the half-day and the 2-day, sitting right there on that weekly trend line. So we'll keep an eye on that, see if gold rolls over tomorrow, starts moving in the down direction. So we are watching it closely. Again, keeping an eye on volume too. Decent volume in the morning, not so much in the afternoon. Not so much on the half day. We're looking at the weekly too. So we will keep our eye on things, see if gold's going to continue its downward direction. Lastly, we'll look at Bitcoin pulling back, really pulling back, 4.04%. We see the first red candle on the 2-day chart that we've seen in a while. First day of the latest one, red spinning top, still green on the weekly. We see 2 days of down movement, haven't penetrated that weekly trend line by the candle body itself, but we will keep an eye on things. That is where we are as we move into Tuesday and through Tuesday. Get ready to go into the midweek. We thank you so much for being with us. We always love to hear from you. CW@chartingwealth.com. Hope you guys are enjoying that daily market worksheet we shared with you. I'll be sharing next day or so the weekly market worksheet and then the trade worksheet. These are updated worksheets that you can fill out. The daily market worksheet once a day, weekly once a week, And of course, the trade worksheet you fill out during your practice trades, it will help you immensely. It is how to put your training on steroids. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.